once again from Dublin, Ireland. I am at the Rolling Donut, which is right across from St. Stephen's Green here in Dublin, and I'm trying some vegan options here. So we have the vegan, the Dub is what this one is called. It is a vegan vanilla cream and a chocolate donut, so I'm going to give this a bite here and see how it tastes. So it is really, really good. The chocolate is a dark chocolate, so just be aware of that, but it tastes creamy. You wouldn't even know that it was vegan if they didn't say it. And then this one is coffee and hazelnut. So let's give this one a try. Oh wow. Okay. This one's the star right here. The coffee and hazelnut donut is really, really good. Yeah, this is just a fun little shop right here next to my table. There's a big pride flag, which you'll definitely see a lot of that. I'm recording this in June, which is obviously Pride Month, and all over Dublin you can see support for the LGBTQ plus community, which is really, really great. And I also got a cappuccino, which, even though I am not vegan, they offered to make vegan for me. I did add the chocolate, which isn't vegan, but they gave me almond milk instead of normal cow milk. So this is just a really great place. Pretty affordable considering it's a niche place, so I definitely recommend it. It's the Rolling Donut in Dublin. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.